Welcome to all to my channel Prashanth Stats. So this is the most important video, so please listen carefully. For students and learners of all kinds, this is very important to know. So what is it? See, use of free content, using free content smartly. Please use free content, especially on YouTube, because for whatever thing we need explanation, we go to YouTube. Especially, I am telling mainly about, it is valid for everyone, but it is mainly about learners and students, academic or otherwise, and especially more for exam preparation, academic and exam preparation, competitive or other exam preparation students who are preparing for the exams. This is very important, how to use free content or YouTube content in YouTube or other platforms smartly. See, what is happening is many people are consuming free content and it is also working against them, not for them. See, please reflect upon this. Please reflect upon this. Please watch this one video carefully. Put it in a in a horizontal mode so that you don't see other videos, and don't swipe up. Don't swipe up for other videos. Just put in the horizontal mode if you are watching in mobile, and watch it. See, just check. Just close your eyes and think like what you are doing regarding the usage of free content on YouTube or other platforms. But mainly, YouTube is the biggest video platform. So mainly we are talking about video. So how you are using free content, including my own videos, my channel, I mean our channel videos also, Stats Magic videos also. Okay, so now I started NETJRF syllabus started. So mostly NETJRF preparation aspirants will be watching my videos. So how you are using the free content on YouTube? Is it working for you or against you? If you randomly watch whatever video, whatever they are saying, there is no meaning. Please see what you are getting. I already made one video about attention, retention and all, consistency and all. Follow few channels, quality channels, whatever you find a quality, follow them consistently. I said, what it means, what does it mean? If you follow, example I am saying, if you follow my videos, our channel videos consistently, whatever the energy I am putting into and the time I am putting into making these videos, whatever the effort I am taking, see, ignore my technical problems, technicalities. Okay, whatever the mic I am using, whatever the camera I am using, okay, other things, technical, keep aside. That doesn't mean anything for that. You completely ignore that. It doesn't mean anything for you. It means, I mean, I am making content, so it is important for me. Ignore that. I am talking about pure content itself. Whatever the content you are watching, okay, whatever the points I am saying, I am raising, that is. So focus on that only. So how you are using that? See, whatever the time and energy I am putting into making that and delivering that content, if you watch it consistently only, that energy gets transferred to you. Whatever the energy I am putting gets transferred to you, and whatever the time I am putting into it, that time will be saved for you. Okay. Otherwise, randomly watching videos is really no meaning, real no meaning. I am saying you. It is just like an entertainment. Okay, it is just like an entertainment. Please understand this very carefully. Watching consistently and with focus, watching consistently with intense focus, okay, that means you should observe me, whatever I am saying, should observe me, my content, observe, take in. When that happens, when will that happen? When you are intensely focused by making distraction zero, as I said in recent one of the videos, what you need for NETJRF. Okay. See, one more thing, whenever you watch a video in my channel, please go through the description. I may be including some links to other videos and whatever some important things I may be including. As of now, I am just including the the title, content and some information about our channel. That's all. And I will be going to add some important links for other links for other videos as well that I will be doing. So what you do is, even I'm saying one more important point. This will be surprising to you. Not surprising, simple only, but let me tell you. See, when I say, when you are watching this video, focus intensely, what I mean is, don't watch my other videos also. When you are watching this video, the present video which you are watching now, don't watch my other videos also until you complete this. Complete this first. In the process of my video, I may be talking, okay, when something is repeating, so now consistency point is repeated. So as I said, the consistency in my previous video also, what you need for NETJRF. Now you may, what you need for NETJRF, that may be important for me. Then you will be jumping to that video. No, complete this video first, then only jump. At the end only you jump. You may note it down. You may remember, you may write it down. Make a notes. And this is the most important thing. Whenever you are watching videos, our videos or other channel videos, whatever, keep a notes. See, whatever you do, unless you put focus on what you are doing, then you are doing injustice for what you are doing, injustice for your work. If you are watching this video or any channel video or anything for that matter, only for entertainment, I am not asking you to put in notes. If you want, you can put for that also, nothing wrong. There will be a lot of things to learn that. But it is not that everything by putting in notes only you will learn. You may be just by observing and just by watching may retain. That is also fine. On the top of that, if you need, you can put notes also, especially for learning academic and exam preparation videos. Notes is compulsory. Okay. Even if you retain also, after watching hundreds of videos, what will be retained? After watching hundreds of videos, now this you are watching this, let's say, or some content, exam content related, you are watching. Okay. For that day, next day, you may remember. But after 1 week, after 2 weeks, after a month, after a year. See, after a year, if you want to see what I have watched this 1 year, then you have to refer to that notes, no? That's what I am saying. And one more thing, whatever your retention power, you even if you say I can retain for 1 month also, for 1 year also, you can say. If one says like that, what I am telling is, in the course of that time, you don't know what happens. You don't know what injury may happen to the hands, to the body, to the head. You don't know what happens, no. What problems will come, no. So maintain notes, man. Maintain notes. Yeah, keep notes. Please utilize the free content or YouTube content smartly by keeping notes and consistently watching the consistently and completely watching the few persons videos or few channel videos consistently with focus. Just close your eyes and reflect upon how many videos I have watched on YouTube in this 1 month, in this 1 week, in this 1 year. Just close your eyes and reflect upon where all that gone. See, keep aside the entertainment videos and all. Your entertainment videos, please keep it aside. Not talking about entertainment videos. There is no need to put notes for that. If you want, you can, otherwise no need. I am asking only, you might have watched many learning videos. I am talking only about the learning content I am talking, especially exam related things. You might have watched many videos. Where all that gone? Where did all that go, man? Where did all that go? I am asking you. Okay. See, some motivation kind of videos and all, that if you want, if you note it down, it is well and good. I am asking about the for whatever the content or subject related, exam related content what you are watching, where is the notes? If you have not put the notes, then you are simply wasting time, no. Simply wasting time, no. After 1 month, where that all videos gone? The month ago videos which you have watched, where all those videos content gone? If you have notes, okay, these are the things. I mean, you can revise them very quickly, because as you have already watched those videos and understood, then it will become easy for you. So please use the free content smartly. First thing is, watch few quality videos consistently. Watch my videos consistently. My energy gets transferred to you. Whatever the energy I am putting, that gets transferred to you, and that elevates you. It grows you. It helps you in your improvement and growth. And the time whatever I am putting, that time will be saved for you. Okay, I am stressing upon it. This is the most important video I would like to tell. Okay, so please use the YouTube content smartly. See, why I am stressing upon it and stressing upon this, and why I am feeling bad about it is, see, not only I'm not talking about me, not talking about myself. Like me, there are many persons or teachers who are passionate about teaching, and they are making videos in this YouTube for whatever reasons, for their growth or their out of passion they want to deliver these things. They are doing it. They're putting lot of effort. See, if I randomly come and say whatever I want to tell, and some, see, even for entertainment videos there is effort, but mainly I'm talking about this from teaching point of view and teacher learner point of view. I'm telling you, we have to prepare something, what to tell in our mind. Okay, these are things I'm going to tell, and I may deliver, some people may deliver spontaneous, especially for subject, especially whatever the I made teaching aptitude videos. So for that we need to prepare, man. We need to write it down on the board or notes, read that first before delivering, read that first, and okay, these are the points, underline that. In my previous videos I underlined and gave you some important points also while explaining this lesson 4 in teaching aptitude. Okay, see, all these things we will do. What you do is you just skip here, go there, come here, what this I'm feeling badly. But see, in the classroom it is okay. In the classroom student is there live and teacher is there telling that person who is attending should if the person is attending for that entire class, then he has to listen to that entire class, unless he is getting distracted with again using mobile and all, that's a different thing. But at least their direct interaction is the direct visibility is there. See, here YouTube we will make a video and you will be watching at your comfort. I mean, that is the thing with this online and all. At whatever comfort time you can watch it. But only thing is, usually when you watch these kinds of videos, exam related, preparation related videos, you should not sleep and watch, because if you are horizontal, I mean like sleeping position and watching, you will not retain that retention will be reduced dramatically compared to either standing and watching or sitting and watching, because you have to keep your spine straight and watch, especially for learning videos, because you have to retain that. No, for retention, keeping your spine erect is important. Keep your spine straight and watch. Okay, either sitting or standing, not a problem, but sleeping position is not good. And keep a notes, compulsory keep a notes, and watch the videos consistently and completely, man. You can increase the speed 1.10, 1.15, 1.25, 1.5. You can increase the speed like based on your what is comfortable for you, and if you are able to follow and understand and retain that much level, that much speed you can keep. If you feel I'm speaking fast, you can reduce the speed also. That beautiful option is there for us, which is very that's a great thing, I mean, which is very great. Previously that was not there. Whatever the speed I am telling, that only you have to follow, and that will be for different students it will be different. Some will be catching even faster, so they can increase the speed. For some, for them it is unable to, I mean they will unable to get properly. For those people you can reduce the speed. So what a great option it is. This itself is a great option, you see. So please maintain notes, watch completely, do not skip here and there. You will miss that energy flow, man. You will miss that energy flow. Please understand why I am stressing this. Please don't skip. See, this video out of my out of my concern, and I am stressing it. Out of my wanting to stress it again and again. I may be repeating these points completely, consistently. Keep notes again and again. I am saying in this video itself. So maybe thinking, the same thing again and again. He will be. See, this video you can bear. Every other video I don't say it like this, because it is very important, and sometimes I feel very bad about it. See, this kind of effort we have to put, and students here and there they will be going and watch it completely, then you will get, just experiment and see. Don't believe me also, don't believe me, just experiment and see. Follow consistently 2-3 channels, completely watch their videos, and you will see, you will wonder after watching even 1 week also you will see the results. After watching my videos for 1 week, just 1 week, watch my videos or any other quality, if you find any other channels, if you find quality in that, please watch that consistently. Each and every video watch it. Each and every video watch it. You will understand. You will gain a lot. After 1 week, 2 weeks, you will see improvements very easily. You will understand very easily. Okay? Please maintain consistency. Please maintain notes. Please watch the videos completely without skipping whatever speed you are watching. So that's it. I want to say. Please use the free content smartly by following consistently, watching completely without skipping, maintaining notes and all. Okay, watch it. If you want, watch again and again, not a problem. Okay. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you.